This video is on shares. What is share market? What is stock exchange? How to invest in share market and how to earn profit through it. Without much ado, let's get into the video. Sharmila this side. Before getting much deeper into it, let's see what is share first. Suppose I decide to start a company on my own called Congo and I need 10 lakhs to start the business. But I have only 5 lakhs. So I can get the remaining 5 lakhs by 3 different methods. Number 1, by loan. We can get the other 5 lakhs by applying loans in bank. Number 2, by partnership. I can get a partner who contributes the remaining 5 lakhs to me so that now the company has 2 owners and also the profit earned from the business will be divided equally between them. 50-50 partnership. Or I can also have 2 more partners who give 2.5 lakhs each so that I will be having 25% of partnership. And the third method is by shares. I can give my company shares for a particular amount like 100 rupees per share so that if 5,000 people buy my company shares, I can easily get the remaining 5 lakhs. In India, stocks in share market is divided into 2 types, NSE and BSE. NSE, National Stock Exchange, BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. Under NSE, we have 1,700 companies registered and their growth is measured in terms of Nifty. Under BSE, we have more than 5,000 companies registered and their growth is measured in terms of Sensex. Among the 1,700 companies under NSE, top 50 companies under different categories and from different departments will be selected to determine Nifty. Different departments like IT sector, banking industry, pharma industry, health and public services and many more. And similarly, among the 5,000 companies under BSE, top 30 companies will be selected to determine Sensex. Nifty is National 50 Index. National 50. Because of the top 50 companies registered under it, it is National 50. Index. In our school textbook, we have an index at the front page which gives the overall content of the book. Likewise, Nifty Index gives the overall growth rate of the companies registered under it. Because it is very difficult to go through the growth rate of 1,700 companies daily. So that top 50 companies will be selected from the 1,700 companies to determine the overall growth rate. It fluctuates day by day, every minute by minute depending upon the market. Similarly, Sensex is sensitivity index which determines the overall growth rate of the companies registered under it. To get into one among the companies listed under NSE or BSE, approval from SEBI is mandatory. SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. They are the regulatory authorities who gives approval for registration of companies under any stock exchanges in India. Now I am a common man and I wanted to buy shares of a company. I can directly go to SEBI. There will be a mediator in between called as stockbroker with the help of whom we can buy and sell shares, and the common man who gets shares through brokers is called the retail investors. Certain commission is charged by the brokers in between the retail investors and the companies as brokerage rate. Only then it's possible for us to buy or sell shares. It is common because wherever we go, whatever we do, if there is a certain person in between who helps us with everything, obviously he charges certain amount for him as commission. What's the profit? So when you buy share of a company, you are also one of the owner of that company because you have also contributed your money in it. You also have certain rights like it can be ownership rights or voting rights depending upon the percentage of shares you invested in that company. You can get shares in the profit earned by 2 methods. Number 1, dividends. Initially at the starting I told you that I am selling my company shares for 100 rupees. Now my company earned profit of 1 lakh rupees. And if you are one among the 5,000 people who contributed the shares, you can get shares in the profit depending upon the amount you invested. So now if my company has earned 10 lakhs profit, many people will start noticing my company's growth. And if my company's growth increases steadily, then huge number of people will be interested to invest in it. And now there will be a huge demand to buy my company shares. At the starting, I told you that I am selling my company shares for 100 rupees and now I can sell my company shares to 110 rupees or 200 rupees per share, then my profit will be 20 lakhs. And this is the second method through which I can earn shares in the profit earned.